Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to show you how to create e-text serial number assignment. This screen is for matchmaking the serial number with the invoice in order to giving a report to your government in a basis of spreadsheet or CSV. Before we show you how to process the e-text serial number assignment, let me give you some brief overview. Serial number is the unique number given by Directorate General of Taxes. By click the screen, you have two functions. The first one is for inquiry, and the second one is for generating or registering the serial number into the system. By entering serial number from and serial number to, and then click generation, the serial number you already entered will be generated here. Serial number history. This button will show you the alteration history of selected the serial number. By click in the top left of the serial number, you will see the history of serial number assigning and assigning cancel. Download is the button for downloading the selected list in form of CSV file with the detail of text and item. Serial number assigning is not the button for automation of assigning the serial number. You have to choose the serial number by yourself in datasheet. Assigning cancel is the button to cancel the serial number assigned. The way it works is by selecting the invoice list and then click the button. So that was about the overview, and let's move to the main topic. We can process the e-text serial number assignment after invoice created. And these are the steps. Please take a look. Go to e-text serial number assignment, enter the invoice date, click inquiry after you fill out some condition. Select the invoice number which you want to proceed. Select the transaction type into general and double click here to select additional field as you want it. Just to give you some tips that certain transaction type will not work with certain additional field. Double click here to select serial number option in datasheet. And click serial number assigning button. If succeed, serial number cell and upload sequence cell will be filled out by automatically. Process is complete. And then select the invoice and click download. By click download button here, the system will download the data into CSV file. Into CSV file to let you know the summary of text invoice. So that's the final of e-text serial number assignment. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.